Hi, my name is Maggie Chen. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to tell you about our experience how to promote Taiwan agricultural product via cross-border e-commerce by using the example of Wonderfulfood.com. Wonderfulfood is established 9 years ago. Before that time, I was a busy career woman and I have a son. Daytime, I was busy for my office work, but after work in the weekend, I was busy for my son. And I was always thinking what food I should prepare for him. In the weekend, I spent a lot of time shopping in the supermarket. At that time, I was always thinking where I can get all the information about safety food. And I really wish I can shop directly from the website and ship the food to my home. During the daytime, I am a project manager to promote food traceability. I have many farmer friends, and they always ask me, is there any new way to sell my food and let people know me? This is why I came up to establish the Wonderfulfood.com. Here is part of our website. We only sell the local food, the food grown in Taiwan and made in Taiwan. We provide the various food categories, such as vegetable, fruit, meat, fish, seafood, even egg and milk, dessert, and so on. We also provide a box of well-selected vegetable or fruit to prepare for the people who are busy to pick up from the website. We hope people to eat local, fresh, but we want them to shop easy and convenience. All the food we promote from our website are all from the local farmer. People can know the food's origin and the farm, so people can select the food from the farmer they like. We cooperated with over 1,000 local farmers, and we promote the food by the season, and also we provide the pre-order program to collect the order before the season, and let the farmer can pre-arrange the channel distribution. With our business model in year 2015, Facebook select Wonderfulfood as the successful branding story of the year. Our business model is to utilize several marketing strategies to enlarge the customer base, such as social media marketing, content marketing, online Google advertisement, member marketing, keyword marketing, and so on. And so far, we accumulated over 700,000 users from the marketing programs. We keep broadcasting the local food and the content to attract the target audience to shop directly from e-commerce. In year of 2017, one of Taiwan magazine, which focused on organic food topic, they did an online market survey. It shows 29% of people buy organic food through the internet was from Wonderfulfood website. Taiwan market is a typical theme market. Lot of players and product, but in a very small volume market. In order to make the depth of the market, the depth of market, and to last the relationship with customer, we build the subscription program for customer to continue to buy vegetable bars, fruit bars, or egg bars. In the other hand, we start to enter the new market. With government's help, we cooperated with Council of Agriculture 3 years ago. Then we start the overseas market via cross-border e-commerce. Here is the brief of Wonderfulfood.com. We built a specialty website we call wonderfulfood.com, especially for e-commerce for cross-border, and starting from Hong Kong, Macau, and Singapore. The revenue of the first half of this year, 2020, is nearly 900,000 USA dollars. But the key factor is that 95% revenue from the end customer, B2C model. And we cooperated with over 300 farmers to sell product to overseas with us. Let's see this picture. How do the fresh fruits and the vegetables go to the overseas market from locals? The mostly way are like this. The goods from the farmers, packing house, export trader and sales, import trader and sales, wholesale channels and the retailer and to the end customer. But in this way might also cause 4 issues to limit the overseas business. The first, the limitation of the product, because the export products are usually selected by few traders. Second, unable to reach the end customer. The market information is collected by overseas traders, not the original source point from the export side. Third, hard to reduce the multi-layers of sales and cost. Fourth, hard to ensure the quality of fresh agricultural product at the end, the last point. This might be the challenge of the overseas business, but it also could be the opportunity of cross-border e-commerce. Thank you, Internet. It makes no limitation of borders, space, time. E-commerce helps us to reach the end customer, even cross borders. Wherever there is Internet is, and the online marketing media is, there is an opportunity to do the business overseas. By cross-border e-commerce, we should use the advantage of e-commerce to make consumer to become our marketeer by social media to enlarge the Internet exposure. With the information transparency via Internet, it helps to find a foreign business partner because the end customer might be the hotel, food, and the grocery purchase manager, retailer, and so on. Or your end customer might be attracted and driven by your profit share program to sell the product in their friend cycle. Once you could reach directly to your end customer and partner, eventually you will be advised what product to be selected to fit your customer and to grow the business in your target audience market. E-commerce is just the interface to the business, or we so-call a business model. But no matter physical, virtual, local, or internet business, to make a sustainable business is to provide a good product, good deal, good quality, and good service. Here, let me use 下雪 mango as an example. This mango variety name is Kaohsiung number 3. In Chinese name, we call 下雪 mango. If we translate to English, the name means the snow in summer. This variety was named and registered in year 2008. Taiwan is very famous for apple mango. Every year we export a lot of apple mango to overseas, but the 下雪 mango is not well known than other varieties, but its flavor is quite outstanding. Even very few people in Taiwan know this variety. And then we start to promote 下雪 mango from 2018. We use Facebook post and video online advertisement to promote this mango. And we also cooperated with Hong Kong media such as TVB channel. We do co-marketing together. And we did several videos and we broadcast them via internet and TV channels. and we contracted over 100 buses to make mobile advertisement in the downtown in Hong Kong. The purpose of this combination of marketing is all about to catch consumers' eyes and bring this into their mind share, and the following guide the consumer to put the orders through internet. On the other hand, it also inspired consumers' need, and it also guided the trader to look this variety mango, 下雪 mango in Taiwan. And we also use social media such Facebook. Whenever the fans put the good comments through Facebook, it might become a marketeer. And even the fans share the post to their friend cycle. And this is the beauty of e-commerce. Let's see the flow of how mangoes go to the end of customer with the cross-border e-commerce model. The key point of e-commerce is helping us to find the end of consumer and receive the orders. So the logistic flow could be simple as possible. That could be more direct from the farm to the table. After the custom clearance in the airport, the mango sent directly to the customer home by a home delivery company, or the group buy leader come to the airport to pick up the mangoes. This is part of what we did this year, 2020. We promote mango via website, we post sugar apple via Facebook, and we cooperated with TVB channel to promote Star Apple, and so on. We use a lot of combination of marketing to promote Taiwan fruit. If we conduct this in a normal trade model, probably one or two traders can complete this, but we were not able to reach and to know these 11,000 individual consumers. But these 11,000 consumers means that may come back again in the next year and the next year. From this chart, we could see the difference between cross-border e-commerce and the trade model. E-commerce breaks the borders to make value up and to create shared value. No matter the farmer brand, platform brand, even the country brand could apply a cross-border e-commerce model to promote local agricultural industry, to make more opportunity for products, and to make more opportunity to business model expansion. At the end, it could make this industry more competitive. This is end of my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all enjoy my experience. Thank you.